Okay.
Papa.
Okay.
Papa, it's Sewah.
Sewah. Mazi Mbale son. Did he beat you?
Papa, he raped me.
That hardened criminal raped you? Eh? Did you insult him?
No, Papa, I didn't insult him.
What happened? Hey!
I was going back from school and I saw him and his friends. Papa, I greeted them. Sewah called me back and forced me into the bush. He brought out his gun and said if I resist, he would shoot me and bury me in the bush. Papa, I begged him not to do it. I begged him, I pleaded with him not to do it. Yet he raped me, Papa.
Hey!
Papa, he raped me. He raped me.
Eh? No. Come on, man. Wait, I'm coming. Don't worry. Wait, let me come.
That's my pan one tapa.
If anybody comes looking for me, tell that person that I am not around, whether he or she.
Jide.
You heard me, right?
Yeah. I'll do that.
Where is that your useless son? Eh? Where is he?
In the first place, you don't come to my house shouting like you want to get married. It's an insult. It's indecent. Second, I don't have you call my son useless and I leave you to go free.
Useless is understatement. Your son is a hardened criminal and a rapist. Eh? He has the guts to rape my only daughter. Eh? If you don't bring him out now, I will set this house ablaze.
My house ablaze?
Yes.
You said my house ablaze when you can't afford money for ordinary matches. No. Let's go to the nitty-gritty of this case. Look at your daughter. You've ever scared to why not? Dragging it up, see, for me, you can't attract me, you can't tempt me with Ajocha. So jumped up as if she wants to be a rapist. Okay, look at that drawing now. She's now tempted, excited, triggered all around her body. Are you seeing what she's doing? Eh? Let's go home and start solving our problem, because the problem is from your daughter, who has a system. Another no forever. The give system in there, man. Or maybe you don't know you have a daughter. I don't know about change. You might wonder I got to see you to a woman. Go call. You didn't notice that? But I noticed it. So go and give her decent training, both medically and physically. You know, oh, look at her. She has a problem. She doesn't want to tell you. And you didn't have the genuity to notice she has a biological problem. So please go and have your daughter treated. You know, leave my son alone. My son is exercising her proficiency in even alonya. Oh, she has the right to do that. I train her.
Yes, I have seen how you are supporting your son.
It's not support I'm giving him. We are elongating the much you have got education for.
Don't worry. I know exactly what to do.
What will you do?
Lady, let's go.
Leave your daughter to enjoy my son who has proficiency. Niva neme. You know, so much can actually even enjoy. Yeah?
Oh, but
Now. Yeah! Unknown man. No.
You finish work.
What is that? Expertise I gathered from here years ago.
Papa, see. You don't pass supplies. I gave Papa package for you.
Hey! Packaging and packages.
Papa. Yeah,
Yeah, Babu, King Juliet.
Papa, let's go inside.
You may say you could join me. Go to the ever. No, take as much as you can. My Pan Chapa is always around to entertain this household. He knows I'm there, he knows you're there.
Papa.
So, jolly men, continue.
You know.
Yeah, Babu. King Juliet, yeah, Babu. Unknown man. The unknown man. And that's how it is. It is how it is.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Is he waiting?
Yes, Iche.
Okay. Tell him YOUTHS is here.
Okay.
Hey.
He's coming, Iche.
Okay. Thank you. Igwe. YOUTHS. Your Majesty. Sit down. Hey, Your Majesty. I am Igwe. When did you come back? I came back yesterday. You know, I had a surgery. So I decided to come to my village to cool off.
Yeah, I hope he's healing.
Yes, I'm very much okay now.
Okay.
I feel like that. So, how is the community, the entire community? We don't know.
We are progressing. Hey. Wow.
I feel like that. How is our case?
We're fine. Since you said you just had a surgery, there's no point offering you alcohol.
Don't drink alcohol.
We'll break on it.
God, you.
Nah, God, you get me that ball of chocolate.
Ikenga.
Hey, I go to do what's the owner. I go to sleep. Hey,
I got them there.
Hey, I got it.
You say?
You
say?
I said, nah, and I buy a garden.
You say?
Never open home buying, you know. I just a buying a nature.
You say?
Nkai ga elibi ala nke eri ay gbata aka. I went na si chukwu gozi ba anyị chekwa ba anyị n'okwu obodo anyị ka udo na ọgam n'ihu bụrụ ihe anyị ga-ekete n'obodo a. Wee si onwe onye na-eti aka na nke ọjọọ ya chegharịa ọjụ nchegharị anaba anyị bịakwa ya aja ya were aja wee zere mmiri ise. Wee si chukwu biko nara ọjị ata ya n'ogbe ka ata ya n'ibe tata ogologo ndụ
ise. YOUTHS.
OGUEJIFOR. Sit down. Sure above. Your countenance is not good, and what is it?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all.
Guinea melon.
My daughter was raped by coming back from school.
Raped?
Yes.
In this community? By who?
My king, people do call him Sewah.
Sewah. Eh? Look at it. Hey!
Is Mbanefo aware of this?
Yes. I went to his house to confront his son. But he supported his son. Eh? Even he insulted my daughter before me.
Mbanefo insulted your daughter?
I said that when I'm mad.
This is not good.
Hello, darling.
Good morning, honey. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling better today. I just had my breakfast now. About to take my medication.
What of Ego Yugo?
Oh, she's fine. She's here with me. Yeah, Ego, yeah, mom.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my baby girl. How are you? I hope you are taking good care of your dad.
Mom, I'm trying my best.
Always remind him when to take his medication. And don't put too much spices while cooking anything he will eat with you, right?
No, I'll do just that.
I have to hang up now and get back to work. I am in the office. Bye.
Alright, bye, Mom. Okay. Dad, is there any other thing I can help you do?
Yes. We just take this drugs back. Let me just finish drinking.
Are you still feeling the pain?
No, it's better. Not much.
Sorry.
We'll do water.
Okay.
It's okay.
You're through with this one? You've taken from me. I can take them.
Take the pizza.
One day, no. Hey! Unknown come back, my son. You've come to remind me of those old days. Wine 80 as in Kasiaba. Congo the finish. Okay. Okay now. Go your way. Papa, you can dance so. I got the one. Manu you. Papa, I got the one that I got the one. Nebe, mumwa mumwa. Ijia. Hey, you know. Yeah. You again. What is it?
Your stupid son thinks he can mess with my daughter and go scot-free. Never! Not when I'm alive.
So what do you want from?
Guys, bring them along. Let's go.
We have the king's order to bring you and your son to the palace immediately.
Oh, hold on. You know what? Just give us time to go and dress up. Are they including baby?
Nah, you have to be fast about it. Don't keep the king waiting.
No, as fast as possible. I'll be with you in a moment. Because can't you know what? Go be in Kenke once and for all. Once and for all.
I will make sure the king sends him to prison. And by the time he spends 10 to 15 years there, this year,
No, why they run? No, Mugu. Why not they run? No, why not they run? When I come now, Mugus. Why not they run? See, Mugu. No, come now. No, when I come. Ndiala.
Look at you people. Now, the kingdom we have achieved now with my son. On God known men.
Now come back. No, come, make I post Sewah for that. Jeremiah chapter 20 verse 20. Mugu. People like you.
Spoil our fall. Look what I do.
I won't go see my friends now.
Please.
You feel me? They don't reach your leg, they will, nothing they happen.
All the license comes around you. Only you follow. You bully Jenny, I want my baby. Hey! I'll go back to Congo. There is nothing here. No enjoyment for qualification.
Adana, my love.
Why are you following me around? What's the problem?
Adana, I am following you because I love you. I've been begging you to be my girl and you keep snubbing me. It's unfair.
Love. Don't you know I have a boyfriend?
Hi.
Okay, if you don't know it now. I have a boyfriend that I love so much. I don't have anything to do with you. So please leave me alone.
Adana, who is your boyfriend? That one that has been going around constituting nuisance in this village. Eh? Why are you calling that one your boyfriend? Let me beautify you.
Just look at you. Eh? Adana. Blackie. I can't even go close to you because you're going to stain me with your boropos vibe. That is why we compliment each other. You are calling me stupid. Eh? I am even far better than that. Your Sewah that we say Changu and Sewah. Eh? What is the meaning of this? Come, let me do you well. That Sewah that has been going around stealing from people up and down. That is whom you are calling your boyfriend. Adana. Even if he Ibulu inye Sewah. O segi no ya, o segi n'ụlọ, o sekwegi na 911. Iya anyu mmili. Adana, come let me cherish you so much. Hey! At least I hustle, I make money. I will beautify you. You are going, eh? Hi.
Hey! Adana, you are beautiful, oh. Eh? Don't worry, I will buy you gifts. I will buy you gifts. That is what you want. Hey! Adana, my baby.
Was he stalking you, or did he approach you and talk to you about a relationship?
No, my king. He hasn't.
What is it? Why are you people running? Speak!
My king, we nearly died here.
Died where?
Yes, my king, but we managed to escape.
Escape from what? What are you people talking about? And where is Ichi Onubo that I sent with you?
My king, we don't really know. We ran in different directions when Sewah brought out his gun and shot at us.
Yes, he brought out a gun.
Gun?
Yes.
He has a gun?
Yes, my king.
Yes, my king. He has a gun. He raped me at gunpoint.
No one, Anya.
Excuse me, my king.
I'm a bad name, I'm going to watch.
Now, I believe we know how to do this one. You stab. Mark off. How strategic places you can stab. Now, is either you stab here from the neck, or stab from the chest, or from the back, and as well stab from this side. Understand? So that is the first of the mode that you aim, you stab. That's for this. Now this is jackknife or penknife. Understand? This is penknife too. So this one you hold it this way. Make sure this your hand is holding it. Then you aim, you throw. So when you throw it, it can hit the person in the chest or on the forehead. Now you already know how to use this one. Now this is where the main work is. Gun. How to use a gun. Understand? First of all, load your bullet. Then when you load your bullet, put your hand safety on the safety. Understand? Safety is like this. Safety. Then put your bullet, you hit it up. Understand? Then put your hand like this on the trigger. Then focus. Aim. Look at this space here. You see this space? Then put your eyes, look through the space. Then okay, good. Just hold it. Yes, for safety now. Safety. Now put your hand on the trigger. Yes, aim. Like this. Yeah, bring your hand down. Must use your two hands. Yes, you hold it this way. Look at me. Is it like this? Yes. And now, yes, now. I should go straight to this place. Yes. Good. So when you shoot, the hand, bullet, the gun will be moving. Now, that is how to use this. Remember, load your bullet. When you're loading your bullet, put your hand on safety. Then aiming your hand on the trigger, aim, shoot. Okay. Let me try now. So, on safety first is safety. Then your finger on the trigger. Then you aim, you shoot. So this is really
Sewah.
Yes, and I believe we'll go
Sewah. Sewah.
Sewah Koto. Ayan! No, why not to come down? I did test you.
The wages of sin is death. Parents, be careful, because your children are watching and learning from you. In all you say, in all you do, they are watching and learning from you. Criminal parents will most likely give birth to criminal children. Oh, if care is not taken, it will remain in the family. Oh, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow.